I don't know, man. I think I got a shark. Man, what a morning it's already become. Oh man, thanks Google for the assistance. I appreciate it. You know, it would help if you actually gave me the right directions. It's like, keep right, and then it's like, oh, now do U-turn and go back the same straight way you went, but go in the other lane. Like, oh my goodness, come on, are you serious right now? Nah, whatever. Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spiike, guys. We're headed into mission, or towards mission. We're gonna go hang out with a buddy of mine, and he offered to take me fishing. So let's see how this goes, guys. I'm excited. I'm excited to see some salmon. All right, guys, see you guys down the road. We've made it to our destination. We're just outside of Mission, BC. All right, we're gonna go meet up with her buddy, and we're gonna go do some fishing. Okay, guys, we'll either see you in the water, or we'll see you in a few minutes. Man, this thing is sweet. Look at that bumper. I lost my net. Oh, I'm so glad it floats. Yeah, oh, I lost my net. Oh, such a good fisherman I am. Oh, thank you.
I say they are hard to get in.
Oh, now I'm caught on your fishing. Oh.
You got him by the tail?
Man, he's a big fat Oh, you got my rod. Yeah, got it out. Ah, holy crap. That is a big fish. Holy cow. So is he a keeper? Is he a keeper?
Yeah, he's quite clean at the bottom. Has he got any sea lice on him? Still?
Maybe. Like I have no idea. Has he got stuff on his skin? Yeah.
Yeah, that's sea lice. That's good sign. It means he's fresh from the ocean within the last 18 hours.
Oh yeah.
And there's the whacker.
Whacker.
Yeah, just whack him on the head.
Okay.
Kill him. I smoke him.
Yeah, that's the way I like my salmon, is smoked. So I had him pretty much to the boat, and then I'm like, oh, I should turn the GoPro on. And then I'm sitting there playing with him. I lost my net. That was hilarious.
That's basically all there is to it.
That was awesome. Yeah, no, I have a piece of wooden bat that I made in high school that I use. It works. It's just a little mini bat. Cool, man. Thank you for helping me out. The good eating one is the cohos we want, right?
Cohos, yeah.
Yeah. Holy crap! Oh, whew. Oh. All right. I get it. Man, you're a big fish. You want me to let him go, or you want to keep him?
Let it go.
Big fishy, bye-bye. It's a good way to break in the new waders, huh? Whee! Jeez. Where are you going? Oh, he spit it out.
Oh well, nothing wrong with that.
That was a good fight, though. Apparently. Oh.
So close. Oh well. Okay.
It's just going. Holy crap. Oh. Sure is a workout, eh?
Sore in the morning.
It's just going. Bye-bye. Holy crap! This one's purple.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh, come on. There you go. Bang, bang, bang. Lost 4. 3, 4 in the boat. Yeah, that's pretty good. So you got to retie.
Yeah.
So how do you get into the coho?
So if you wanted to try coho, we could just tie it, pull off the weights and the float, and it's just cast. And in here, down to the log jam, it's coho hold. And they hit on a fairly fast retrieve.
Well, I was doing a fairly fast retrieve too.
Yeah, and I've never seen that. You usually float, you just go with the drift of the water, and you were still...
Well, I was trying to go up and then try and keep it tight.
Yeah.
Because I already know, like, if you don't have a line tight and you try and hook them, you're not going to do anything. So I was just trying to keep the line tight, and then because the bobby was coming straight at me. I wasn't going downstream. I was coming straight at me. for the first while until you anchored beside me, and it was a little more harder. But I mean, I still was getting hits though. But yeah, I was still always slowly retrieving and
every handful of casts.
No, I never even let it sit. No, because I noticed if the line was like this and you try and set the hook, there's nothing there. So I'm like, I'll just reel in slowly every time. And it's just go straight towards you. Oh, where are you going? Come back here. Holy crap. He's a big one. Oh. I don't know, man. I think I got a shark. Holy crap. Come here. No? Whee! Holy crap. Whew. Holy crap. Woo. This one's got red and black spots on him. Man, you got frickin' teeth. I swallowed the hook, I think. Holy crap. Oh, I see it. All right, we'll get that hook out of you, buddy. All right, I got it. Yeah, holy crap, look at this thing. Like, that's my hand in comparison. Holy crap. All right, buddy. Oh, he's got pink on him too. Wow. All right. Chill out. I'll let you go. Back in the water you go.
Yeah, I think it's time to go.
Yeah, I'd love a chance. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. No, come here. Yes. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Look at that. I have nothing to beat it with. Wait, Andy. Man, oh man, was that ever a freaking blast, guys.
Nice.
I'd say that's average.
That's a little small, but that's gonna taste mighty fine.
Well, we're out here and we went salmon fishing, and this is Chad. Hey Chad, nice to meet you.
Steve.
Thanks for taking me fishing. It was such a freaking blast.
Glad you had a good time. Anytime, give me a shout this time of year. I am out there 3 days a week hitting it hard.
I might take you up on that offer. Okay, we'll see you guys down the road. All right, we're all packed up. What an amazing day fishing for salmon. I caught 3 chum, lost 5 or 6, I can't remember exactly, and we had probably a good 5 or 6 nibbles on the rod. And that was so awesome. And then later on, we swapped out and started fishing for coho salmon. And we had a couple really good bites, lost a couple. And then finally, I reeled one in and I got one on the boat. What an amazing day out fishing today. Oh, I'd love to do this again. Yeah, even like a good 6-7 hours fishing in the river, fishing for salmon is just awesome. Loved it. I loved every minute of it. One of the best days fishing, that's for sure. Normally you can go fishing, you can get into a rainbow. It's like 10, 12, 14 inches. Maybe sometimes you can get a 17-inch rainbow. When you're catching like 30-inch salmon, that's just makes a total difference. Kind of makes my my trophy lake kind of make it a little bit smaller. Now that I've been introduced to the bigger fish and getting the bigger fish into the boat, even in a little pack raft, amazing. I thought I was going to pop that thing for sure. I was going to put a hook through it, but no, didn't have a problem with it. Didn't have a single issue. Was able to cast. It was a little cramped. Yeah, my back's hurt a little bit, but we did it. We made it. At one point, I just had to sit sideways in the kayak. It was so hard to sit. That's pretty much today. We're going to head down the road. We're going to check out Raleigh Lake Recreation Site. We'll see you guys down the road. Well, I was going to stay at Raleigh Lake, but it closes at 7 p.m. So that does not help me at all. Let's see where else we can park tonight. Oh yeah, I must say, Chad did a wonderful job filleting these fish. I probably would have made a big mess of them just trying to get all this meat out. but he did a good job. I'm gonna have to get a fillet knife now and start practicing how to cut salmon. Man, what a day. I am tired. My arms, all my muscles from here, there, this, everything are just like so sore from casting like all day. Yeah, it's just been a great day. For sure gonna remember this day for a long time. That is for sure. Oh man, I'm gonna have a smile on my face for a while. Those are some big fish. Yeah, there might not be big salmon for like their size, but yeah, apparently they can get bigger. So that's a thing. We're gonna go catch some more big fish one day. Yeah. So I was looking through my fishing tackle box, and we've got some spinners, so we can try coho fishing anywhere we want because we've got waders. And all we got to do is wander out into the river. So long as we got to check the regulations and make sure we can fish in that river, blah, 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 and follow all the rules. Because that's one thing you're not allowed to do is, yeah, break the rules. We'll end it here. I'm starving. I'm going to go cook some dinner. Salmon fishing in the river was just awesome. Can't wait to do it again. Will do it again. Don't know when, but we'll see. Alright guys, don't forget to hit the like on the video, the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you got any questions or ideas or anything, you know. And we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.